About 30 million consultations happen around the world with symptoms of cough. So you can imagine how common this problem is, and 40% of the consultation that come to doctors like me, pulmonologists, is related to coughing. And usually we divide the cough, the duration of the cough, into different categories. So if they have been there for 3 weeks, we say this is an acute cough. If they have been present there for 3 to 8 weeks, we call it subacute cough. And if they have been there more than 8 weeks, the cough, then we call it a chronic cough.